Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I came back to share with you how I made this beautiful blanket. It's a very easy pattern to make and it's repetitive throughout the work. It's the wavy blanket. So for this blanket I have chosen 4 colors, which is the light pink, dark blue and berry, and then sand. Yeah, I'll put all the colors link in the written pattern, which will be in the description box as always. So this blanket measurement is 116 centimeters by 137, I think, and it has 69 rows total. So for each color I have used 3 rows for each one, pink, blue, berry and the sand, and repeat again all over. The pattern on how to make the wave stitch is in a different video, which I will link in the description box or above this video as well. So that tutorial will explain to you step by step how to achieve the wave stitch and how to change color during work or at the beginning of the work. So what else? The written pattern will be in the description box. This blanket doesn't take long to finish, within few days, maximum a week. If you don't work it daily, you'll be able to finish it. And the total yarn I have used is 2 of each color, so total 8 skeins of yarn. Again, the information will be linked as well. I hope you'll try to make the same one with same colors or different colors, and if you have any questions, as always, leave it in the description, leave it in the comment section, and until next time, take care, bye bye.